This is my new soldering iron, 60 watt, and it comes with spare tips. There are 5 spare tips. Then there is a desoldering wick. You can see the other side. This is the desoldering wick, and there is a roll of solder, and solder paste is also there. A stand for keeping the soldering iron when not in use, like that. You can keep it like that. And there's a knob for adjusting temperature. You can turn it clockwise and anti-clockwise to adjust the temperature from 200 to 450 degrees centigrade. A piece of sponge is also there for cleaning the tip. Show you the inside of this. You can remove it by unscrewing. This is the ceramic heating element. Inside will be nichrome. Maybe because it is new, it is easy to dismantle. Then instead of here, you can dismantle here also. If you dismantle here, this is the heating element seen inside, and this is the bit inside, and this is the assembly. You can put this inside and make it, or you can use one of the different bits like this. You can put it inside and screw it back. So you have a different type of curved bit. There are 5 types of bits here. This can be made like that. This is another bit like a chisel. Another pointed bit. Still another bit, and one more. This is the type which I used to have for my older soldering irons. I am hoping to use this for new homebrewing projects because it is temperature adjustable and very compact. The 60 watt or 65 watt soldering irons which I had were quite big, and the one with this size was just 25 watts. So I think I'll be able to use this well.